Hello there. Looking for free AI images. So, I found this new source, very reliable, unlimited. So, let's go. Let me show you how to get it. So, jump into your browser, Android or PC, no problem. So, we're going to go to this site. It's called Wallpaper Sphere. It's normally an a wallpaper community website, but they have this super cool image tree wallpaper generator there. So, it generates all sort of AI images for you for free. And this site, they're new, so they're offering this tool for free. So yeah, so just do jump into their website on Google. If you don't find it, look at it in my description. So once you're here, you're basically done. All that's left is you writing your prompt. So you can use AI to write your prompt, no problem, to make it look very cool and detailed. But you can write it yourself here. Write anything you want. This AI will bring it into life. And just so you know, if you're a guy that love wallpapers like the one you saw on my PC at the start, it's very cool. I got it from this website. They have amazing wallpapers for PC and both mobile. So if you're in that kind of niche, go in there and download these super cool 4K wallpapers images. They are very nice. So if you already got all your prompts ready, just copy and paste here, and you basically take only like 2 to 3 seconds before it generates. And you can download this as much as you want. They have no sort of obligation to sign up or download limit, no generating limits. And still, don't worry if they get a server overload. They'll ask you to wait for 5 seconds, and you can continue for as much as you want. There's no such limits in this website, so just keep going. As always, I keep it short. I provide. So please leave a like there or even a subscribe button if you really love the video. So if you have any other question or any type of thing you'd like to discover, just leave it in the comments. Thank you.